Oh, here's a baby turtle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Little baby turtle, but it's a baby turtle, but it's the same as that.
Yeah.
No, the teen. It's a teen.
Yeah. Oh, as a teenager.
Yeah, I'm 4.
Oh, teenagers are 4?
Yeah.
Are you 4? And so you're a teenager?
Yeah.
What? Okay, Mr. Turtle. Oh, that doesn't look...
And it has to be...
Oh, I already have it.
And I have to open it.
No, we already have enough.
Before the
No, there's also, it's already in here, see?
Oh,
It's in there already. Yeah, it's good. Okay, now we still have more. What should we do now? We still have like 2 ounces left. I should have only made like, this only took probably 3 ounces. I need to remember that. What are you gonna grab, buddy? Grabbing a mold? No, that's too big. You gotta get something a little bit smaller.
And no long.
Yeah, those are too small. Yeah? Do you want to make... What? Oh, what is that? No, that's too small. That's going to be too small. How about... Look. What do we have over here? Whoops.
Okay.
Okay, not that, not these. We have a fox, but foxes are not
A fox?
green.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not going to do fox.
I love
Yeah. How about...
Some unicorns are green.
Do you want to make a green unicorn?
No,
That would be silly, huh?
yeah. I found it.
What did you find? Oops.
I got it.
No, how about a bear? That's a pig. We can make a green bear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then this is green.
Yeah, this is going to be like a...
Yeah,
Not necessarily.
alligator mold.
You have No, I don't have an alligator mold. I need an alligator mold. Are you going to buy me an alligator mold?
I don't know how to buy.
You don't know how to buy.
We only. I don't know how to find alligator.
You don't know how
We
to
have
find
to go
them?
in the mold area.
The mold area of where?
It only have molds.
Yeah? What are you doing?
Ooh, color blue though. Color blue, yellow.
Oh, careful, careful.
And this one's with right there. I love it.
Oliver, do you know what?
What?
I think you picked the perfect mold. You were so good. Oh, don't shake it. Don't shake it. You're going to make everybody dizzy.
Alright.
Oh, careful, careful, careful.
Only one more when they were done.
No, we're all done. We have ran out. All done, buddy.
One out.
Yes. Oh my goodness. What are we going to do? Wait.
Maybe we can make more of it.
No, we're done.
Okay. Goodbye, buddies.
Goodbye, buddies. They're your friends, your buddies? Oh, those are your buddies. Okay.
And the wall.
Oh, okay. Bye.